We're here this morning at the offices of the law firm Olswang to have a roundtable discussion on BIM adoption, and is the industry ready for BIM in 2016. The event is also a bit of a launch event for BIM Plus, which is the new website from Construction Manager and Atom Publishing, which is devoted to telling the industry more about BIM. We've got a really great group of people here today to discuss the issues. We've got David Philp, who's head of the government's BIM task group. We've got Simon Rawlinson from EC Harris, Peter Trebilcock, who's head of BIM at Balfour Beatty. There's Tim Platts, who's running the BIM for SMEs group. Martin Chambers, who's a former president of the CIOB and represents an SME contractor from the West Midlands. We've got, of course, Francis Ho, representing Olswang, which has been very instrumental in working with the CIOB on the CPC contract. Michael McCullen from Asta Development, the collaboration platform. Sonia Zahiroddiny from Transport for London. Eddie Tuttle from the CIOB. And Chris Chivers, who's a junior vice president of the CIOB. We've covered many topics. Training and skills for BIM was one that came up a lot, and the need for the industry to draw in more skills from outside and not be such a silo mentality industry. We talked a lot about the need for perhaps fleshing out some of the documents around BIM. There was a lot of discussion about how clients were still unclear about employers' information requirements and some of the contract protocols. We discussed whether contracts in fact have a key role in BIM, or whether we place too much emphasis on contracts and we should be looking more at relationships. What is becoming clear is that on the drop-dead date of April 2016, there isn't going to be a wholesale transformation. It's the start of a process, and everyone's going to be advancing at different speeds and in different ways. But from the discussion today, I think the industry is adopting a different mindset, and it will take perhaps longer than we might like to work its way through, but the industry is finding that the BIM is a real transformative agenda, and it's something that's going to change our industry.